Let's talk about automation of SQLi post-based, header-based and cookie-based. Same thing, you need Python 2.7, SQL map. The command will be little different this time. So you have to first identify the vulnerability. So I'm doing a backslash on the username and I got this is a vulnerable. See this? I got an error, that means this is a vulnerable. So SQL map will have to attack on this position. So I'll give a star there. In password I'll give anything. Before submitting, I'll make intercept is on. I'll submit. So basically I have to capture the request. Now I captured the request. Now I'll copy this. Right click, copy. Or you can directly do copy to file also. And you go to the SQL map folder. And there you can write that, okay, in any of the files. I'm trying on lesson 11, so lesson 11.txt. Done. Now, the command is Python sqlmap.py space -r and that request file space -batch and -banner. So I saved my request into the lesson 11.txt -batch -banner. So let's copy this. Let's copy this. At the meantime, we can try for the header based. This should be running, okay? So let it running. Now I'll go to lesson 18 or lesson 17, whatever lesson 18. See, if I'm giving a backslash, it's not giving me anything. If I'm giving a backslash, it's not giving me anything. If I'm giving a admin, it's just login. So in this case, I'll make intercept is on. There may be header based. Let's intercept the request admin and admin. See, if you are giving a backslash on the user agent field, let's try on this user agent, there backslash, let's forward this. What happened? You are getting an error. That means that user agent field was vulnerable. So now intercept the request, submit, and SQL map will have to attack there the user agent after the user agent value. So I'll give there a star. Now I'll right click, copy to file. I'll save lesson 18 or any other file, the header based file, .txt. I saved. Now see, just wait for this. See, it's executed. Then lesson 11 executed. Now after banner, what you want? Database. All other steps will be same now, okay? For database, for tables, for -D, database name, you can give dbwa -tables. All other will be same, okay? So I am leaving on you. You try and let me know if you will face any difficulties. Now I'll try for lesson 18 sqlmap.py -r lesson 18.txt space -batch banner. Let's try this now. There is no file ls. There is a file lesson 18.txt, but they are saying no file. Let's change the permission of that file. Maybe unable to find. Python space sqlmap.py space -r space -batch banner. Unable to find. Okay, the request may be wrong in the okay. So the problem is, let's try to fetch one more time that request. Admin submit. I'll give a star there. I'll right click, copy to file. I'll give a lesson 18.txt. Yes, Now see, let's try to execute now. Now it's in correct format. Okay, that's why it's executing now. So just wait for a few seconds. At the meantime, we can build a command for the post based SQL map, for the cookie based SQL map. See, so cookie based, let's try on this website now, test PHP website. Okay, testphp.vulnwev.com. I'll first log in this website because login will generate cookie, because we are trying for cookie based SQLi. So just log in there. See, now I will first spider this proxy intercept is on, reload this page, right click, send this to spider. Yes, yes. So we spider. Now see, I have to find, okay man, sorry, it's running now. I thought it's just so I have to find some cookie parameter there. So I'll bubsuit search cookie. So there is cookie, you can pick anyone. There is cookie or not. Sorry, there is not cookie. Not in response, not in response. We have to find in okay, there is a cookie. See this? Yes, you can pick this. You can right click, send this to repeater, because you have to find vulnerabilities there. So if I click and go render, it is just a normal request. Now let's do backslash there. I got an error. See this? MySQL error. That means this is vulnerable. So I will give a star there now. Control A, right click, copy to file. Where is copy to file? Yes, there. Let's save this as a cook test. Okay, cookie based test. Okay, cook test.txt. Okay. Now see, it's executed. The lesson 18 was executed. If you want to fetch -dbs, see, and all other will be same. Let's try on this website now. Python SQL map -r cookie based -batch -banner. No such file or directory. Oh, okay, man. I have to do Python SQL map.py because the file name is py. You can also use Kali Linux by just running SQL map space -r. Okay. So you have to wait. So this is we have seen the cookie based the post header and cookie based SQL map automation. We'll see also on live website. Don't worry about that. I will just showing on the lab first. Okay, so you will get an idea, the brief about the SQLi, more detailed about SQLi. See, the banner got executed. It gave me the information. Now if you want database, you can give -dbs. Database, see, there is a AQCart and information. You can go in this database ACUART and -tables. So there are artist, cat feature, whatever. Let's go into users now, -T, users space -columns. All other are same. Okay, columns done. Now you can find in the data of these columns. Select what? Uname. Let's select uname. Then email. Let's select email. Then name. Select name. Pass. That's it. And -dump. Let's try this. See, there is only one entry, that is uname is test, email is this, and Don Smith and test. So likewise, you have to find database. I hope it's clear to you. If not, we will have a discussion session.